Today I am going to show you how to remove watermark in PowerDirector 17, an easy way, and in just one click. Now we are going to select File, and place it to the timeline. I don't want our sample video to have an audio, so that I uncheck this box. Let's go to produce this sample video. For this sample video I produced this as AVI file, for the sake of this tutorial, to make producing faster. Now we select a destination folder and rename it as PowerDirector with Watermark. Press save. And now press start, and having pop-up window warning, just close it, and continue producing our video. Just wait a while until finish. Now video are ready. Open file location. And you can see on this screen it show already watermark. Now we play this video and see. As you can see there is a watermark written at the beginning of this video. It show around 5 seconds and disappear. Alright, now we are going back to edit page and remove the watermark. We are using same file to show it clearly the difference of two video output. Now what we are going to do is you can see this letter T icon. This stands for title. Just uncheck this box. And let's produce again a video, and let's see what happened. Same file AVI. Choose file location. And now we rename this as PowerDirector without watermark. Press start, close this warning. And wait again until producing video finish. Open file location. And here the video file name without watermark. Play it, and as you can see, no more watermark appear in this side of video. Go back to PowerDirector and in Edit page. This is the first video with watermark. And this is the video create with unchecked title box and no watermark. And that's how to remove watermark in PowerDirector 17. If you find this video helpful, please feel free to subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you for watching.